Together, along with 23 faith-based civil liberties and community organizations, collectively issued a joint statement on December 1st rejecting Bill C-9, the so-called Combating Hate Act. We are here as part of a coast-to-coast coalition raising the alarm about Bill C-9 and the unprecedented expansion of police and state power it represents. This coalition brings together multi-faith, civil society, legal defense, and labor communities, each sounding the alarm from a different vantage point, but united in the belief that Bill C-9 threatens core democratic freedoms and should be withdrawn.
What's in the legislation? To begin, it would repeal the requirement that the Attorney General consent to the institution of proceedings of hate propaganda offenses, which have been a crucial oversight mechanism given the sensitivity and impact of hate crime charges. Next, it would create 4 new criminal code offenses. First, a new offense of willfully promoting hatred against any identifiable group by displaying certain symbols in a public place, punishable by up to 2 years in prison. Second, it would create a hate crime offense of committing an offense under any other act or any other act of Parliament that is motivated by hatred based on certain factors, with sentences commensurate with the underlying offense. Third, it would create an offense of intimidating a person with the intent of causing fear in order to impede them from accessing certain places that are primarily used for religious worship or by an identifiable group for certain purposes. And fourth, it would create another offense of intentionally obstructing or interfering with a person's lawful access to such places. Finally, the bill would also integrate for the first time a definition of hate into the criminal code based largely on Supreme Court jurisprudence. While the components of Bill C-9 may appear to be measured and proportionate in order to address hate crimes in Canada, a closer examination of the details of the bill raised significant concerns around threats to free expression, freedom of assembly, and the ability for the public to engage in protest and dissent. In short, it would threaten a swath of charter-protected rights of Canadians and people in Canada.